Friends, in this video, I am going to discuss how to choose career option after 10th class. Self-discovery. Self-discovery is very important while choosing a career option after 10th class. Start by identifying your interests, strengths, limitations, and values, and then explore different career paths that align with them. Consider taking career aptitude tests, seeking guidance from teachers and career counselors. Try to understand the different career paths in detail and reflect upon each career path 1 year before, that is, when you are in 9th class itself. Remember that this is a journey of exploration and you have to select very carefully the career option which suits you most. Self-assessment. Identify your interests. What subjects do you enjoy? What hobbies do you find fulfilling? What activities spark your curiosity? Then recognize strengths and weaknesses. Be honest about your skills and abilities. What are you good at? What areas do you need to work upon? Understand values. What is important to you in a job? Do you value creativity, teamwork, problem solving, or something else? Take enough time starting from 9th class and assess periodically once in every 6 months. Record in a notebook. The above figure shows the head's way. Please do not follow the head's way. Based on your self-discovery, self-assessment, choose the career option which suits you most. Teachers in schools must help the students discover their interests and competencies, strengths and weaknesses right from 9th class itself. Parents also have to play their role in encouraging their children to choose the career option which suits them most, but not thrust their interests on their children. I am going to discuss different career options available after 10th class in India. Study all these options and the competencies required for each of these options. Based on this information and your self-assessment, and after discussing with well-informed teachers and career counselors, you can carefully choose the option which suits you most. +2 or intermediate in Andhra Pradesh State Board. The Andhra Pradesh State Board of Intermediate Education offers various optional subject groups within the intermediate, that is 11th and 12th classes curriculum. These include MPC, Mathematics 2 courses, Physics and Chemistry. BPC, Botany, Zoology, Physics and Chemistry. And commerce related streams like MEC, Mathematics, Economics and Commerce, and CEC, Civics, Economics and Commerce, and humanities related course like HEC, History, Economics and Civics. MPC, this group is typically chosen by students aiming for engineering, architecture, pharmacy, or maths, physics, chemistry related fields in higher education. BPC, this group is suitable for students interested in medicine, biotechnology, pharmacy, veterinary science, agriculture science and other fields related to botany, zoology and chemistry in higher education. MEC, this group is designed for students who are interested in business, finance, commerce and economics related studies. CEC, this group is suitable for students interested in commerce, economics, social sciences, public administration and humanities related studies also. HEC provides a solid foundation for further studies in disciplines like history, economics, political science, sociology, law, international relations and humanities. Now let us consider +2, 11th and 12th classes of CBSE. A few important optional subject group combinations are given below. Optional subjects with PCB, that is medical stream. For students opting for physics, chemistry and biology stream, the available optional elective subject as a fourth subject enhances their knowledge and opens up diverse career paths. The fourth optional subject may be mathematics or biotechnology. If the fourth optional subject is mathematics, the students will be eligible for both medical and allied fields and also engineering and allied fields as explained earlier. 2. Optional subjects with PCM, non-medical stream. For students opting for physics, chemistry and mathematics stream, the available optional elective subject as a fourth subject enhances their knowledge and opens up diverse career paths. For this stream, students generally choose computer science as the fourth subject. The students are eligible for engineering and allied fields as mentioned earlier. Commerce stream, optional core subjects, business studies, accountancy and economics are commonly offered. Additional optional subject, students can choose one of the subjects like computer science, mathematics or informatics practices as the fourth subject. Career path, this stream is suitable for students interested in careers in business, finance, accounting and economics. Arts, that is humanities stream, optional core subject. Students typically choose a combination of 3 subjects from history, geography, political science, psychology, sociology and other social sciences. Then additional optional subject, depending on the school, other options may include English or Hindi or Sanskrit or fine arts as the fourth subject. Career path, this stream can lead to careers in fields like law, journalism, teaching, social work, social sciences and humanities. Then plus 2, 11th and 12th classes, that is ISC, in CISCE, that is another board. Science stream, 3 or 4 electives, any one of the following types. Elective type 1, physics, chemistry, mathematics. Elective type 2, physics, chemistry, biology. Elective type 3, physics, chemistry, biology and mathematics. Elective type 4, physics, chemistry, mathematics and computer science. Potential careers as discussed earlier in this lecture. Commerce stream, electives, accounting, business studies and economics or accounting, commerce and economics. Additional options may include mathematics or entrepreneurship or informatics practices as additional elective. Potential careers, accountancy, finance, business management, commerce and economics. Then humanities stream, arts. Electives, history, political science and economics. Additional electives, sociology or psychology or geography or Hindi or Sanskrit or fine arts. Potential careers for further studies in law, journalism, teaching, social work and other fields related to the arts and humanities. It may be noted that in all other state boards in India, the optional subject or elective subject combinations in plus 2 or intermediate are similar to one of the models as discussed above under AP State Board or CBSE or CISCE. Polytechnic diploma courses. Polytechnic diploma courses offer a great path for students after completing their 10th class, providing practical training and skills in various technical fields. These courses can be a stepping stone to direct entry into the workforce or higher education also. These courses of 3 years duration include the following: civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and communication engineering, computer science and engineering, automobile engineering, information technology. Competency and interest in maths is necessary to opt for these courses. Several biology-oriented diploma courses are also available after 10th class, focusing on various aspects of healthcare and related fields. Some popular options include Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, Diploma in Pharmacy, Diploma in Nursing. Additionally, There are specialized diplomas in areas like dental mechanics and radiography. Diploma in medical laboratory technology. It is of 2 years duration. This course prepares students for roles in medical laboratories, focusing on diagnostic testing, pathology, and clinical testing. Diploma in pharmacy for 2 years. This diploma allows students to work as pharmacy technicians, assisting with medication preparation and dispensing. Diploma in nursing 3 years duration. This course provides foundational knowledge and skills in patient care, medical ethics, and nursing practices, potentially leading to further specialization as a registered nurse. Diploma in dental mechanics, 2 years duration. This program focuses on the fabrication and repair of dental prosthetics and appliances such as dentures and braces. Diploma in radiography, 2 to 3 years. This diploma equips students with skills in operating radiographic equipment and performing imaging procedures. Then diploma in biotechnology, 2 years duration. This course provides foundational knowledge in areas like molecular biology, genetics, and biochemical engineering, opening doors to research and laboratory-based roles. Then diploma in sanitary inspection, 1 to 2 years. This diploma focuses on public health and hygiene, covering topics like sanitation, disease prevention, and environmental health. Then diploma in agriculture, typically lasts for 2 to 3 years duration. The curriculum focuses on providing theoretical and practical knowledge in areas like agriculture practices, crop production, soil management, and more. Career opportunities. One can pursue various roles in the agriculture sector, including positions in government departments, NGOs, and agro-based industries. After completing 10th class, students interested in commerce and accounting can pursue various diploma courses. Some popular options include diploma in accounting, diploma in banking and finance, and diploma in business management. These courses provide foundational knowledge in accounting, finance, and business principles, preparing students for careers in related fields. Diploma in accounting. This course provides a strong foundation in accounting principles, finance reporting, and taxation. Diploma in banking and finance. This diploma focuses on the fundamentals of banking operations, financial markets, and investment strategies. Diploma in business management. This course covers a broad range of business-related topics, including marketing, human resources, and operations. ITI certificate courses. ITIs or Industrial Training Institutes offer various certificate courses focused on practical skills for different trades. These courses typically range from 1 to 2 years duration and are designed to prepare individuals for employment in various industries. Some popular ITI certificate courses include electrician, fitter, mechanic, refrigeration and air conditioning, and draftsman, civil and also mechanical. Several ITI courses offer a 1-year duration after 10th class. These include mechanic diesel, welder, computer operator and programming assistant, COPA, front office attendant, and food production assistant. Other certificate courses. Certificate in Information Technology, CIT. This is a popular choice for beginners looking to gain foundational knowledge in computer hardware, software, and internet technologies. Certificate course in Animation and Multimedia offers foundational skills for careers in the animation and design industries. These courses typically cover 2D and 3D animation, graphic design, and video editing, often using industry standard software. They are suitable for beginners and can lead to various roles in film, television, advertising, and gaming. It may be noted that all these diploma and certificate courses must be done in institutions in which training is given in practical skills thoroughly. I do not advise the online certificate courses after 10th class. Conclusion: by engaging in self-discovery, self-assessment, and actively exploring various options, the students can make an informed decision about their future career path after 10th class. I wish that their career option would be a perfect match to their interests and competencies. Parents and teachers must help the students in their self-discovery and self-assessment and encourage them to choose the career option which suits them most. Every secondary school teacher must equip himself or herself to be a career counselor for students after 10th class. Thank you very much.